Hi, this is Teacher Christine. Very nice to see you again. How are you? I'm pretty good. Okay, I'm going to sing you 2 songs this week. Would you please learn with me and stand up and dance with me? Okay, let's get started. Go.
Shoo fly, don't bother me. 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 Fly away to somebody. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Fly away to somebody. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Fly away to somebody. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Fly away to somebody.
Okay, here is a sentence patterns. Shoo, blah blah blah. Don't bother me. Okay, if you don't want your brother to bother you, you can say, Shoo, brother, don't bother me. Or you can also say, Shoo, mosquito, don't bother me. And what else? Shoo, cockroaches, don't bother me. Okay, you can make a sentence into the blank. Shoo, dun dun dun, don't bother me. You can make a sentence by yourself. Just do it.
Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me, for I belong to somebody. I feel like a morning star. I feel like a morning star.
Hello, are you ready to stand up and dance with me? Shoo fly, don't bother me. Can you say music? Go! Oh, I know. You didn't say music, right? So I cannot hear the music. Let's try it again. Can you say music?
Shoo fly, don't bother me. 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 Fly away to somebody. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Fly away to somebody. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Fly away to somebody. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Fly away to somebody.
Aww, the fly is really annoying. Okay, now it's your turn to sing. Ready? Go! Shoo fly, don't bother me.
Shoo fly, don't bother me. Rain, rain, go away.
Let's move on. Rain, rain, go away. Let's read the key words. Rain. Can you repeat after me? Rain. Go. Come. Children. Good job. Sentence patterns. Da da, da da. Go away. Such as mosquito, mosquito, go away. Or you can also say fly, fly, go away. And what else you don't like? Rain. Okay. Rain, rain, go away. But do not say, Daddy, Daddy, go away. That's not polite. Okay? You can make a sentence by yourself. Just do it.
Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Sister wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Okay, the next song. Rain, rain, go away. Let's say music.
Rain, go away.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away.
Now it's your turn to sing. I want to hear you. Let's sing together. Ready? Go. don't say go away, Teacher Christine. I want to see you next time.
Rain,
Okay,
rain,
it's time
go
to say
away.
goodbye.